everyone, and welcome back to Legally Inspired. Today we'll dive straight into a topic that forms the bedrock of Ireland's legal and political landscape: the key components of the Irish Constitution. Understanding these components is crucial for anyone interested in the Irish legal system. So let's jump right in. At the heart of Ireland's legal and political identity lies its constitution. Enacted in 1937, the Irish Constitution, often referred as Bonat Neheran, has played an essential role in shaping the nation's governance and safeguarding the rights of citizens. What are we going to discuss? 5 things. Preamble: the structure of the Constitution. Fundamental rights. The organs of the state. Amendment process. Preamble. Our exploration begins with the preamble, an opening statement that sets the tone of the Constitution. It equivalently expresses the aspirations and values of the Irish people, highlighting the desire to promote the common good and justice for all citizens. The preamble is a poetic introduction that encapsulates the spirit of the Constitution. The structure of the Constitution. It comprises a preamble that we mentioned before and 50 articles organized into 15 chapters. 15 chapters. Each chapter deals with specific aspects of governance, from the organs of the state to fundamental rights and the amendment process. Now, fundamental rights. An integral part of the Irish Constitution is the protection of fundamental rights. These rights, outlined in Articles 40 to 44, encompass personal freedoms, the right to life, liberty, and property, and the protection of privacy. Understanding these rights is crucial for every citizen, as they form the basis of individual liberties within the Irish legal framework. The organs of the state. Now let's focus on the organs of the state outlined in chapters 3 to 6. These chapters state the roles or functions of the President, the Houses of the Oireachtas, Dáil and Senate, and the judiciary. This separation of powers is a cornerstone of Ireland's constitutional framework, ensuring a system of checks and balances. Amendment process. Lastly, let's touch on the amendment process. The Constitution is a living document capable of adapting to the evolving needs of society. Article 46 outlines the procedures for amending the Constitution, emphasizing the importance of public engagement and approval through referendums. This ensures that any changes reflect the will of the people. In conclusion, the key components of the Irish Constitution are not just legal doctrines. They are the threads that weave together the fabric of Irish democracy. Whether you're a law student, a concerned citizen, or just curious about the foundations of Ireland's legal system, understanding these key components is essential. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insight into the world of law. Thank you for joining me on Legally Inspired, and I look forward to our next exploration into the fascinating realms of Irish law. Until then, remember, knowledge is power. Stay curious, stay inspired. Thank you, Legally Inspired, Pauline Polik.